I wanted to share with you how you do an eSignature within Client Hub. eSignatures are included with all subscription levels. So the first step we want to make is to go to the File Manager. Once you're in File Manager, you would find here in our buckets the eSignature docs. You can see I have some completed, some sent, some created here, and it gives us the dates. You can follow up. I want to send a new request, so I'm going to just select my PDF. And we're just using a bank statement, demo statement for an example here. Once I check next, we'll see it has the document name. You feel free to go ahead and change that at this point. And now you'll see the recipients that you can send this to. Obviously, you can send this to anyone who's listed here. Brenda Sample is our owner, so I just want her to sign or take action on this, so I'll select her. It's important to note that you cannot send an eSignature request unless the person has been invited and then has accepted that invite, or they won't show here and you won't have anyone to send it to. So next, and now we'll see the document and we'll be able to go ahead and add those fill-in fields that we need them to take action on. There we go. All right, so obviously you have some fields that are preset in here. We want a signature, so we just click and drag that over. All right, so we have the signature. Of course, we can pick the other date fields. And then here you can see we can save as a PDF download. We can also send the document, and this is the only time you could get a link. So if you want to get a link, you need to do it now. I'm just going to send this document, and then you'll see you can edit this. You can CC, the usual options that you have. Then we're going to click send. And now that's complete. So you'll have that in your list here of eSignature documents that you can go and follow up with. So we'll see this one's probably sent and not acted upon. Yep. So you cannot change it, obviously, because it's been already created and sent. And this is where I said if you don't get that link the first time, you won't have another option to. So we can just resend that document as we need to. And that's all you need to do when you're sending an eSignature.